everybody, Dave Anderson here, Helicool's Helipad. Welcome back to the channel. Hey, we're going to be continuing this series on getting this thing wired up for some trailer action. You guys stay tuned. Well, it is getting a little bit later in the day because, well, it took me, it seems like forever to fabricate. I'll show you right now. Fabricate this little guy right here. Okay, 1, 2. 2? Why do I need 2? Well, to answer that question, I gotta have one just for that trailer because it's a weirdie. It wants to have its own blinker circuit, its own taillight circuit, its own whatever, okay, hogwash. And then there's the other one where I'm gonna have that hooked up to standardized for every trailer that I have and anybody else who's actually wired a plug that's standard. They'll be able to plug right into this and we'll be able to make magic happen with those taillights. Fantastic. Okay, so cool little device. Just took me forever, it seems like, to get this straightened out. All right, on with the show. So this is out of Patricia, and it is off the front bumper, but this is exactly the same as this one. Okay, 7 pin. It even has the exact same pigtail at the very end of it. So the trick is trying to find a way to splice into these wires to hook up these wires. This might take me a little while. Let's go to time lapse. All right. Hold the phone. There's been a new development, and you might want to hear this. So actually, there's been a new development, and the issue is that I have, my personal thing is I have to have this hook up to this weirdy trailer, and I would also like it to hook up to, civilian trailers. Now, you might only want it to hook up to civilian trailers because you don't have this weirdy, and maybe you already have a trailer that has a connection that goes right into this, and you're set. So this right here, this is what you want to buy. They're cheap, they're pretty accessible, they're on Amazon, very easy to come by, and that is what you want if you want to have your truck pull civilian trailers, the 7-blade trailers. It's easy to install, slap it right into that little 7-pin and goes right to 7-blade. Works great, and it's very inexpensive. As for me, I have to wire one of these to go to that weirdy trailer that used to be a truck. Now I'm turning it into a trailer. And also, I want to be able to hook up my civilian trailers with this, okay? So I really, adding one, it really doesn't help me out. I have to do 2. So if I'm doing 2, I might as well just get 2 of these and wire them in at the same time. And that way I have 2 plugs here. One that goes to the weirdy trailer and one that goes to all the rest. You with me so far? That is crazy. But hey, I'm trying to save you a little money. Hoo-wee, it has been smoky and windy here for the last several days, but you know what? That's not going to stop me. Time to do a little bit of surgery. Now for the kind of scary part. All right, that's one side down. You can see it goes into this. The other side will go into this side, and then I'll just be connecting these back together. Pretty cool.
Hey guys, Dave Anderson here, Helicool, like that. Hey, today, we're gonna start knocking out these tires here. I need to get these tires from Shine Remain nameless off of here so that I can put them on other rings. Stay tuned.
Woohoo, an unboxing.
I bet you I know what I got. Without even looking, it is
A truck trailer socket. Indeed. The harness is done. Now it's time to get it into the truck. While I'm getting it in the truck, you enjoy this very cool montage. Hey guys, here it is. I have to say that I'm not happy with this. I'm not happy with this at all. I mean, I know that I wired it up right, and it to me, it's just a cobbled together kind of mess. I know it'll work, but I'm not happy with it. So what I did is I ordered a box just like this one. It's exactly the same kind of box with all of the posts that I put into the trailer, and I like that. I think that is going to work a heck of a lot better. I can solder solderless connectors on there, and I think it's going to last a lot longer rather than this, which could get water impinged into it. And I know that all of those things are, sealed up inside here, but I just don't like this. So I'm going to do it over. I'm going to pull this apart. The box comes in tomorrow. I'm going to pull this apart. And I know that you guys were probably waiting on me to get this sucker in and to test it and let the lights fire up. And I might do that just for the video, but I'm gonna have to pull this thing back out again. So, should I do it? Should I not do it? It's a waste of time. It's a perfect day to finish painting the trailer. Well, Jacob, what do you think we should do? Do you think we should change it out, Jacob? Do you think we should just do it right, fix it right, make it right the first time so we don't have to do it again? You think that's a good idea, Jacob? What does Jacob say? Yeah. What does Jacob say? Jacob, you and I have the same color of eyes. Yes, we have the same color. What do you think, Jacob? I know, you're just hungry and you don't care. Oh, I just don't know what to do. What about next time? I don't know. Lord, give me a sign. The sign says, do it right the first time. I don't think I'm going to do it. You'll just have to wait till next time to see this on there. And next time you'll see this actually in a box, done neatly and professionally. This is not, it does not correspond with what is in my soul. All right, until next time, guys. I'm Dave Anderson signing out. You guys be safe out there, and God bless. And come back next time, because then you'll see an actual professional wiring job, and it will work, guaranteed. Is it starting to snow?